Alright, it's currently around 9:30 p.m. on Thursday, January 18th. We got a big snowstorm on the way here in Valpo. We're expected to get possibly up to a foot from the lake effect in the morning. Got about 9 hours until we're there. This is what we're seeing right now. We're not even really in the bulk of the moisture yet. Look how much snow's already coming down. You can see it in the lights here. It's gonna get a lot worse. All right, about 10:30 p.m. now. Just an hour later, the snow's really picked up. We're already getting probably close to half an inch on the ground, and the lake effect storm is starting to develop. Yeah. Alright, currently 5 a.m. We're right under the lake effect band. Although it looks like the heaviest part of it might be going a little bit east of here. It's still snowing really hard. This has definitely got to be 1-2 inches per hour at least at the moment. These are nice fluffy flakes as well. This is stuff that accumulates quickly. Yep. Have to stay on the lookout for thunder snow now, especially coming from that direction. Yeah. Alright, 9 a.m. update. This is what we've got. We've definitely gotten a lot of snow overnight. Looks like around 7-8 inches so far. It's very soft, powdery snow too. That's on top of the snowpack we already had. We're not even really in the lake effect band right now. It's still to the east. And it's still snowing pretty hard. Apparently some places in LaPorte County, like Michigan City and LaPorte, have already gotten about 2 feet of snow. Alright, just after 11 a.m. now. Starting to lighten up a bit, but it's still pretty windy. We've received around 10 inches of snow, I'd say, but it's hard to tell with all the blowing and drifting that's going on. See, it's still very windy. It's still coming down out here. We're still getting some lake effect, but the heaviest of it is now off to the east. Places like Michigan City have already reported nearly 2 feet so far, and much of Porter County here has already seen around 10 inches. At least here in Valparaiso. And it's probably going to be like this for the rest of the day. And then tonight, the sun is just starting to come out a little bit. There's a lot of snow blowing around. It's really windy. Yeah, that'll be the last update for a little while. I think it's just going to continue like this for the next couple hours or so.